Good morning. Oh, I'm still tired. Morning, guys. Just left our room. So just left our room and we are gonna go and get our washing from yesterday. Was it this way? And then we're gonna go for some dinner. We're gonna go to the same place we went to yesterday, which we didn't show you, so we'll show you that because it's a good little spot. That's quite affordable as well. This island, as it is like the busiest one, it's got a lot of stuff going on, lots being built. Lots of like what I assume will be new hotels and things. Okay, we're here at the shopping. We're here at the laundry place. It's just down this little street here called Maafushi Laundry Service.
Yeah. One bag and maybe 3 or 4. Yeah, give me that.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you.
Bill payment.
Oh, you're 40.
We paid some yesterday, but then we owe 40. No problem. Is it okay?
Thank you. What a dinky little bag. I really hope that's got everything in.
Yeah, I think it's done.
We'll have to do a check when we're getting. And we owed them 42 rupiah from yesterday because we didn't have enough, so he said just give us 500 and then the other 42 when you pick it up tomorrow. And he just let us off with the 42. So we've just saved £2.50. Okay, so this is the Sunrise Beach area. And the beach is just behind them trees there. I don't know if that's a bikini beach, I don't feel like it is. And it's not actually as nice as the one that we're on. Ours is a little bit better. And this is where we came for dinner yesterday and where we're going now. Maafushi Cafe. What are you gonna get?
This is tuna wrap, I think.
Tuna wrap.
Tuna wrap without chips. How do I get a tuna sub?
Try the submarine. Tuna submarine.
Nah.
Wrap. So they've got appetizers, omelettes, loads of soup. They've actually got Thai food in here as well, full Thai food bit. Rice, and there's like your meals, sweet and sour, kebabs, noodles, pasta, sides, curry, burger, and pasta, sandwich, wraps, and pizza. And the pizza's actually quite good. They're only around $7. That one's $11 because that's seafood. But I'm gonna go for this team that I had yesterday, penny arrabbiata. It's only $6. So there is my arrabbiata pasta, and I'll try. Taste test.
Very nice.
Thank you. Wow, sauce.
I don't know, shall I try it?
Yeah. Oh, it's got peppers and stuff in as well.
Alright. You like it? I think you're electric.
Okay, pasta taste test time. It's got melted cheese on the top already. It's so nice. It's literally just pasta and sauce and cheese. No veg or meat or anything in, but it's nice.
ever been in. This is not that nice, I'm not gonna lie. Our room's all the way up there, top left. And by the looks of it, we've got the smallest balcony of course we have. It's fucking always the case with us, we always get the shit rooms. I'm this far out, I'm standing up.
Hello. It's been a while. And we're now watching the sunset. It looks better in real life than what it does on that camera there. But this is another beach. We're literally just next to our hotel.
Oh, hello guys.
And they've got, I think it's going to be like a DJ or something on at our hotel tonight. You probably can hear the music a little bit in the background.
I think it's a band.
A band?
I think it's a band, maybe, yeah.
We will see. They're setting up like a stage. Oh, look at it now. You can see the sun now.
Alright then, not sure if you can see us. You guys can. We're in Island Catch, which is the restaurant that looks like this. Right on the beach. Really nice actually.
Sunrise beach.
Sunrise Beach. I ordered a red beef curry with rice, and Eve ordered
Chicken noodles.
chicken noodles. We're sharing a big bottle of water because obviously trying to save money. But yeah, it looks really nice. And it wasn't too expensive. I think mine was $8, which is about £6 ish, and yours was $5, which is about £4 ish.
I don't know how much the wall was though, but maybe 10, 15.
Yeah, 15 normally. Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you the food when we get it.
Chicken noodles, egg, salad, crispy pappardelle things, and then that's Carol's beef red curry.
Beef red curry. Try some of the a little bit of spice. Nice and milky.
Milky, good for you then.
Nice and smooth. Really nice out. Perfect. Nice and sweet as well.
That's what mine looks like. And it's very tasty.
Right people, quick update. Because we haven't videoed in a while, there's a hair on the camera. These hairs gets everywhere. We haven't filmed anything in a while because we haven't really done much. We're in Maldives, you know what I mean? What else is there to do other than chill? We tried to just book a dolphin tour. We tried to book one at Maafushi, but a storm came, so we couldn't do it then, which is unlucky. And then we tried, last night it was windy, and then we've just tried a night. Two of the services, the boat was broke, and then one of the services, I said, honestly, do you think we're going to see them? And he said, this side, because it's windy, you're not going to see them. Other side, it's calm, but you're still very unlikely going to see them. He was out there fishing and he didn't see them. He just says it's just the weather. You're just very unlucky. And I asked, is it always this windy in July? And he said, no. So we've just been quite unlucky to do a dolphin sunset cruise. But we'll do one time, so make sure you stay tuned for that, for one of the next cruises that we're going to do. We've got one planned. So right now we are at ICOM Tours, trying to book our speedboat from Maafushi to Malé. We got it here we just showed up and happened to jump on one at $15 each. I think in here it's $20 each, but I can't find anywhere else that does it cheap. So what we're going to do with the hotel is $25 a head, so we're saving $10 because we spent a bit of a fortune on the hotel room itself. So yeah, we'll film in here, show you what the crack is. This is where you want to book your transfers. Don't really book them with the hotel because they're a bit more expensive. Yeah, we would like to do the 12 o'clock one tomorrow. Yes. How much is it?
$15 per person.
Perfect.
Which hotel you're staying?
Arena.
Arena.
Yes. Thanks, man. Perfect. Thank you very much.
So the name is Arena Beach in in the morning start at 11:45 for 15 minutes. Yeah.
Just here, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Right then, that's sorted. That was $15. Tried to do it online earlier. $20. So just saved $10.
Yeah.
Worth it. And I think we've showed you all this. This is what, like, the bit where you land here and then you walk up this street too. You'll be in hotels. They've got like shops here and little restaurants. And I think now we're going to go to our favourite restaurant on the island, which is called...
Do you want to go now or do you want to chill for a bit? It's a little bit early. Or do you want to go now?
What's up, you? What's it called anyway?
Island Catch.
Island Catch.
It's 5:30. Now or later?
Up to you.
So just go now and...
Just 1 hour. Island Catch it's called. Thai... Did we show them?
Yes, but we didn't show what we had yesterday.
Right. We're going to go tonight and get some honey chili chicken, which we had last night. But the chef is Thai. She's from Thailand, obviously. And she does like unreal food. She's a very good chef. And it's cheap as. Like up towards our hotel up there is like $10 plus, do you think? And then here we're paying $6 to $10. So yeah, go to Sunrise Beach for your cheap food in Maafushi. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.